welcome to my channel. My name's Nicole and I like to do fashion DIYs, and in today's video I am actually doing the transformations from my last video, which was my holiday lookbook, and I'll have it linked above and below if you want to check it out. Yeah, so I took inspiration for the holidays this year and I wanted to recreate a few thrifted items that I had stocked up in my closet, and yeah, I hope you guys like the video. Please let me know what you think in the comments, which transformation was your favorite, and please give this video a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe if you want to see more DIYs, and I will see you in the next one. The first transformation is this mesh bodysuit that I wanted to alter the neckline to. I wanted to remove the sleeves, so to do that I measured about 2 inches from the neckline and used pins to map out how I wanted the armhole to be. To make things easier for myself, I went with the shape that worked for both the front and the back. Then I cut along the pins. To copy the shape to the other side, I folded the bodysuit in half and carefully cut the other armhole out. To finish the seams of the armhole, I just folded the raw edge over 1/4 inch and pinned, sewing a straight stitch to keep it down. Then flipped the seam over another 1/4 inch to finish the hem. And this is the final result, a mesh bodysuit with a high neckline. I fell in love with this dress the minute I saw it, and it being 2 sizes too big did not stop me from picking it up. This dress is lined, so it makes it a little trickier to alter, and since there is a zipper in the back, I had to take the dress in from the sides. So I started by flipping the dress inside out so that the lining of the dress was pulled away from the dress itself. I then marked about 6 inches down from the top of the dress on either side to mark where I wanted my waist to taper to with pins. I then marked 1 1/4 inches with chalk. This is how much I will be taking the dress in on either side. To work with the lining, I just extended the 1/4 inch chalk line and had it taper about 6 inches into the lining to match the dress. Then sewed along the chalk line. Once trying it on and fiddling with the fit, I cut off the excess fabric. This next transformation is something that I've done many times and basically just did to the dress. This skirt has no waist and I had to bring it in on either side. With the skirt inside out, I took my measuring tape and measured 12.5 inches and marked with pins on either side, and then used the pins to mark how I wanted the shape of the new waist to be. Then sewed and cut off the excess, and the fit was just right. And this is the final skirt. I found this silver slip dress at Value Village that had absolutely no shape, and I wanted to create this cutout to kind of replicate that hot pink Kim K dress. To do this, I cut the dress in half at the waist using my rotary blade and ruler. To get the shape of the cutout, I took a piece of 8.5 by 11 paper and folded it lengthwise, then folded it again in half and curved the edge. Once I liked the look, I pinned it to the bodice of the dress and carefully cut around the pattern. Then folded the raw edge 1/4 inch and marked it with pins before sewing it in place with a straight stitch. Instead of hemming the skirt from the bottom, I just shortened it from the top. I measured 3 inches down and marked on either side with pins, then cut using my rotary blade and ruler. Then I lined up the bodice of the skirt and removed the extra room in the skirt. For the last step, it's time to attach the skirt to the bodice. With the skirt inside out, I tucked the bodice inside the skirt with right sides together. I then used the side seams as guides to line the 2 pieces together and sewed. This was the final result of the dress, and I love the way it turned out, but the fabric of this dress shows everything. I would recommend finding a thicker fabric when making bodycon dresses. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to leave a comment letting me know which DIY was your favorite, and please subscribe for more DIYs. Bye!